हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट a इक्वल्स टू a की पावर n, b की पावर n, a की पावर n एंड n इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3 इज रिकर्सिव इन्यूमरेबल। रिकर्सिव लैंग्वेज आर क्लोज्ड अंडर द यूनियन और every recursive language is recursive enumerable. Recursive language are closed under the intersection. So let us discuss each option one by one. First statement, a equals to a की power n, b की power n, a की power n, n equals to 1 2 3 is recursive enumerable. This language a consists of string of the form n, bn or an, where the number of a and b on each side of middle set of b are equal. For example, a triple b a triple b triple a 4 times b and triple a etc are in a. A Turing machine can design to enumerate this language. The machine can simulate the following process. For each n, generate string of the form of a की power n and b की power n and a की power n until all possible string of this form are enumerated. Thus, a is recursive enumerable. Second statement, recursive language are closed under the union. A language is recursive if there exists Turing machine that halt and accept or reject every string in the language. Recursive language are indeed closed under the union operation. If L1 and L2 recursive language, then there exists a Turing machine M1 and M2 that decide L1 and L2 respectively. We can construct a Turing machine that decide the union L1 union L2 as follows. On input W, simulate M1 and M2 on W in parallel. If either M1 or M2 accept W, accept otherwise reject, this Turing machine will correctly decide whether W is in L1 union L2. Therefore, recursive language are closed under union. Statement third, every recursive language is enumerable. This statement is true. A recursive language is subset of recursive enumerable language. Okay. Since every recursive language are decided by Turing machine that halt provide an answer for every input, accept or reject. It means that language is also recursive enumerable. Every recursive language is a special case of recursive enumerable language. Option 4, recursive language are closed under the intersection. This statement is false. Recursive language are not necessarily closed under intersection. The intersection of two recursive language may not be recursive. Even through both language, individual can be decided by Turing machine that halt on every input. Constructing a Turing machine to decide interaction of this language is not straightforward. The halting behavior needed to decide intersection may be guaranteed due to potential complexity of simulating two Turing machine simultaneously. Therefore, the correct answer are statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. Statement 4 are false. Thank you.